Hey everyone, welcome back. I am the Electrical Code Coach, and this is the electrical question of the day. Switches can be installed inside of a shower or tub assembly. So it's kind of a statement, a question mark. This is the National Exception Code. What is the answer here? The answer is no, but it's the NEC, right? This is the National Exception Code, and this is not really an exception, it's just another part to the rule. It says switches in tub or shower spaces shall not be installed within the tub or shower space unless it's a part of a listed tub or shower assembly. So the answer is no, you cannot install a regular switch inside of a shub or tower assembly. Shub or tower assembly. Shower or tub assembly. With that being said, so like your general snap switch for your vent fan or anything else in that room or any other type of switch cannot be installed inside of that shower or tub assembly unless it is a part of the listed component. So if you have a whole tub that has a listed switch built into the surround and it's manufactured that way and it's UL or ETL listed, then you can do it. So it's one of those no but, and you're going to find that code in 404.4C. And you can find that in the 2020 version. Should be very similar in the 2017, and I look for it to be the same in the 2023. I am the Electrical Code Coach, and if you click on the screen right now, you can actually get a lifetime membership to our exam prep program for life for only $49.99. Even if you're not testing right now, it's the only way to be truly well-rounded. You can walk on the job or wherever you're going to with full confidence. I am the Electrical Code Coach. Let's get to it.